Hello, Gwen. It is Dallas coming from D-Rab's Model Shop. It's been a little bit, but I thought, hey, got a bad day of weather, so it's like time to do a little more model work. When I left off, this here is the exhaust. Like I said, I just left them on the tree. They're chromed. I'm going to show you how to use a wash on them, and they will start to look more realistic. And when I was looking through my pieces, I did it again. These are the mirrors. They need to be the body color. And as you can see, they're still white. So I'm going to do those kind of quick and not really give you all the detail on it. I'm going to be using some detailer, easy to use wash. It's already made up for you. And I'll show you what I'm going to do. Nothing super. They just look too clean. They look plastic, and I don't want them to look plastic. Not a super brush, just a brush. Just go ahead and hit them. The idea is to just go ahead and touch them off. You don't really have to paint them, but what you're doing is you're getting the parts of it darkened up. That's what you want to do. Give it depth, because real things in life are not that clean. And like I said before, I'm just showing you quick because if they want to turn the model over and take a look, I guess they can. I normally don't turn them over too much. So I'll give you a hint what's going on with it though. Now this is the exhaust right back in here. Okay. This we are going to actually hit with black paint because your muffler ain't going to have that look to it. That's not even close to realistic. So what all I'm going to do to that for now, but really quick I want to show you. Set that down. Okay, this is with, I'm sorry, the wash on it. Without the wash on it. The one looks much more plastic-ish. There's just no depth to it, and that's all I'm doing. I'm going to finish this up. I am going to touch, like I said, back in here, back in that little area back in there, with probably a flat black, I'm thinking, like an exhaust. I'm going to do that really quick, and I will be back with everybody afterwards. See you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. The wash is done on both of them. I grabbed a little bottle of, actually I was going to go with, I thought flat black, but I got flat gunmetal. So I think that's going to look good in there. We're going to try it. Shook it up. I got more of a detailed brush so I can get in there and not make a mess out of everything. That's the plan. We'll see how she goes. Looking pretty good. A little more. I want it to flow better. I'll probably even hit the edges of it a little bit, because exhaust is just dirty. There she be. Not too bad. Do the other one. I'm going to probably tape up those mirrors. I don't mean tape them up, but I'm going to put tape on them so that this little stand beside me here can hold them. And then I'm going to do like I did with the car body. I'll give her some primer and 2 or 3 coats of blue paint and some of the clear coat, just like I did on the actual body. It's the best, because you know, nothing like trying to paint everything 3 times. That's typical what I do, but hey, it's fun. I enjoy it, so I'm not going to worry about it. That one there is pretty much done. I think you can see it. Yeah, they look good. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna clean out the brush. I'm gonna prepare that stuff, and I'll give you a quick snap back. See you in a few minutes. Okay, I'm back. The primer's on, the white primer, and I didn't need to tape them up. It was pretty easy and quick going. Let that dry, and then we're gonna start blue clear coats, and I will probably come back when I'm done with the clear coats. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video, so be with you in a few minutes here when this is dried up. Okay, just a really quick finishing up here. There they are. They are blue. They're clear coated. They're shiny. I got lucky again. What can I tell you? That's about as lucky as I can get. That part's done, and that's about all I got for right now. And I guess I'll go ahead and get this ready to be put out there. If you like the video, feel free to subscribe. Please give a thumbs up or hit the like button. I think it'll tell you when a new video comes out. Thank you much. Bye.